Mama Sue keep the fire blazing.
This I wanna go wild
And versatile. Mama Sue style.
Right now, peace, I'm going to do something special for you. I'm going to do some roast chicken.
Out to do upon the fire.
And the fire.
Yeah.
Yes, and I'm going to season it up with some Maggi seasoning.
Original.
Garlic. Season to the bone. All purpose. Ginger. And paprika.
Chubby.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne hot. And that's how you
That
go, man.
go
Wild and versatile. Mama Sue style. Right there, so. And peeps, remember enough, eh?
Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit ping that little notification bell. So when I put up new video, you can get notified.
Yeah, man, right there, so.
Respect.
Mama Sue style, alright. Kick it off the Mama Sue like a ball.
This time, peeps, I'm going to wash the chicken with some vinegar.
Right there, so. And then you know Mama Sue thing again. Yeah, I go keep the fire blazing. Remember, no Mama Sue style, you know. Keep the fire blazing.
This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Sue style. Wash off your foul, Mama Sue. Mama Sue and the crew.
You have to wash them off, you know, with vinegar. Fish them off clean, man. Wash the foul them. Me I go kill no tonight.
Keep the fire blazing. Wicked and wild.
Wash them another time. Wash them clean.
How Papa is it?
Yeah? Where's it?
Ain't good, man. Show your boy, man. Over the wall, man. On the other side. Eh? Okay. Papito, as usual, peeps, I pass through the RR bike. Are you RR bike that, Papito? RR bike that? Chief, yes.
You did one for my time. Well, I'm tired.
Yeah, man, clean. Mama, so you know, dice them up. Get a knife. Yeah.
Nice.
Malia, go get a knife. Go get a knife. Be careful, alright? Go get a knife from in the kitchen.
Yeah,
alright? I never mind. Let me go get it. Let me just set up the camera up on the tripod. No, I got it. Perfect. I'm going to get the knife.
Paprika, some cayenne pepper.
No man, I told you I press it. You can't, I know hold it there, I have to press it, clum. Yeah. And automatic. Yeah. Your mama so look good, me now like you. See, it's penetrate through the meat, you know.
Sorry, I never have one.
Oh man, you don't have to tie the leg.
Oh yes, I have to tie. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. Ginger. Ginger give nice flavor. With garlic, any amount of garlic. Season up your, season up. Yay. Alia, Mali, you hear me say?
Mali, stop playing anything I want you. Sure. Yes, mama, so looking good. Real
good.
Season to the bone.
Yes, season to the bone, I tell you.
Beautiful.
Paprika. And then I'm going to throw a little oil. A little oil to grease it.
Put some line in at the back.
Oh, yeah. You need to make it one.
So peeps learn from the great mama, so you know, my mother, you know, so trust me. She me learn from me, a bad chef too.
Yes.
So kick off my channel, you don't know what that's a rice mama so thing. Yeah.
Man, the season up tonight. Penetrate tonight.
Joke it up, Thomas.
Yeah,
man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
Go far, yeah.
Yeah, man. Watch your film, man.
I come like some chicken. Is that smoking? Your man, when you stick it up and so it, you know, it go faster. Faster.
Yeah.
Good.
Left them this. Just put them beside. Yeah, right this one. Right this one. Take two pictures. Watch out. Perfect.
Okay. Oh, the fire now.
You light up your fire now. Go and make up your fire, and I'm going to help you and put the thing there.
Yeah.
Put the stick through the chicken then.
Yes, catch up your fire, yes, Susie. Pass me the rotary chicken.
Yes, peeps, you don't know. Cameraman, you see it. Also, chef. You don't know, I go wash man and one. Help mama so. Rig up the chicken then, you know.
So when I go wild.
Wild and versatile, mama so style. Go wash off this too. So we're going to steak this to the chicken them. You understand? You see the style of it? Rotisserie. Yeah, I know. No, this is for cooking, okay? We're gonna put chicken on it. Rotisserie chicken. Okay, man? We're gonna put the rest of the chicken man. Oh, you want to wash too?
Yeah, keep the fire blazing, Tony.
Okay, alright peeps, so now I get my rice and I turn it a little bit. Let's see what I go on. Susie, easy, you know? Yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man, easy, man.
Wow.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. And don't beg no riot. Excuse me.
Yeah, peeps.
Wow. Oh. This a one I go wild.
See the peeps? Wild and versatile, Mama So style. That is it.
No, what one?
Come on, be careful. Yeah? Yeah, the dropping knife. Easy peasy. Yes, Mama So, fire ready. Yeah, man. Remember you say it, you know. Keep the fire blazing. Yes, Mama So, them you look ready to go up on the fire. Forget wire.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and see it there? As you
Yes.
always say, Mama So keep the fire blazing. Oh, yeah.
This a one I go wild and versatile.
Mama So style.
Uh-huh.
Alright, Mama So, me help you swing it.
Yes. Go
Chubby.
swing now.
Trouble, trouble. See it there?
Yeah, go spin, you know, man.
Oh, you have enough? No, man, you good, man. Yeah, you know, if you go just back up the fire, fight. Simple. You good, man. Back up the fire. Back up the fire on your side. Yeah, back up the fire.
Right on the grill, master. On the fire.
Yeah. Keep the fire. Yeah, man, just like that.
Good.
Yeah, man. Authentic cooking, you know? Real Jamaican style.
Versatile.
Versatile. Alright.
Yes, good.
Yeah, man. Let me take some more of the stick over there, so. Alright, good. There we go.
Yeah.
Put the chicken them on them back. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Right there, so.
Good. Yay! This a one
Yes,
I go-
peeps, so we're gonna just let them go and soak. You see me I say? And just update you with the process. You see it? So peeps, you don't know say Mama So thing, we're bringing different thing to the table every day. Creative and unique cooking. You don't know Mama So special. Sometimes when you get the Mama So special. Remember I said the last video we dropped before I go post that one, I was the all-in-one pot.
Yeah.
With the shrimp in a coconut milk, rice, corned beef, pumpkin rice.
Yes.
That was a Mama So special. So sometime we're going to just run some regular, and then we're going to run some Mama So special. You see me I say?
I wanna go wild.
I'm versatile. Mama So style. Yes, peeps. So right now we just set up the tripod. And I just go make you watch a little bit of the process of the roasting. See? Yeah, man. It's looking beautiful. Yeah. Nice, you know, peeps. May I tell you the truth. Just taste a little bit of the seasoning we drop off like this, okay? Nice, man. Well seasoning, you know? Just make them do there. And go and spin them. Me and Mama So. And I tell you, say, trouble. Yeah, man. Good. Looking good. Try a little thing. box while like boss. Smoke will kill me. Yeah. Papito, come. Whoa. No man, I want to go on. Wait. Smoking on me. Papito. I want to tell my yo, sure. What? Well, wait first. Wait first, man. Easier for the fire fight a little bit, peeps. We don't want to burn it, we want to just slow cook, Slow roast. Kind of cook, we are cooking. Be careful, puppy. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, mama so gone inside for something, so I go and angle the bangle, you see it? I give them a little flip. Oh my god. This one I tell you. It look real good. So tie this right as a cause. One here, Papa. Hold on. Don't worry, chicken soon. Yeah, chicken soon done. Alright? You want something to eat? You want something to eat?
I only want you to help him with everything.
Okay. Wait. What you want the funny boat for? Alia! Where you there? Where you there? Where you at? Turn them in, mama, so.
Okay. Boy.
Yeah, man, look good.
Jesus.
Peace, but me bring the camera closer and show now how I go on. See that? See? See all of them little slices that my mama so make? Season a penetrate to it. Fire penetrate through it. Smoke a penetrate through it. Yeah, man. Peeps, may I go on a real close up look. Look on the texture of the meat. Look on the juice. Look on the color. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can just look on this and just know say it a go sweet, it a go nice, it a go taste good. Fire under the wire and smoke same time. So it's like a roast smoke. Yeah, man. Put a little bit more fire under it. You can't put too much fire under it still. No. You have to just give it fire, then you pull back out, you know. Yes, peeps. Thanks for the like, thanks for the share, thanks for all the comments. Thanks to everybody who that's already subscribed. And if you're a new viewer, please do not click off this video without going to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. You don't know it's Mama Sue Kitchen, and you don't know Mama Sue is bringing it to you the real and authentic way of cooking. You see me I say, she going to do regular cooking and she going to bring you some Mama Sue special where she put her one twist to the cooking. We already did the corned beef soup where everybody is trust me, if the reaction is crazy, everybody is amazed by it. You understand me? I say, me already I get email, I say, them never know say that could have done and all of that. So it's a good feeling, you know, that really motivates her to know say she's bringing her own twist to the cooking and people is willing to try it and people are inquire about it already. You see me I say? So big up on yourself, big up to all of the new viewers, big up to all of the new subscribers, and big up to who watching for the first time, and big up because I know you're gonna subscribe. And thank you for supporting Mama Sue, and thank you for the love and the support. See
Respect
that? Yeah, man.
to every aspect.
Yeah, man. Come. Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. Yes, peeps. You know, so you can't be a chicken, roast chicken, or jerk chicken without a beer. You see me I say, so you don't know where I go. Put some beer on it. Ice.
Keep it moist.
Beautiful. Keep it moist. Yes, peeps. Wicked and wild Mama Sue style. Mama Sue, keep the fire blazing. Yes, peep. Properly roast. Properly smoke. Yeah, man. Ready? Mama, flick it off now, man. No joke. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So, night catch you, you know, cause whenever did I rush the thing, you know, we take our time and flick the butt, you know. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Well, Mama Sue, I have to take two pictures. Wow. I love this. Beautiful. Yeah. Flick them off, Mama Sue. Yeah. Keep the fire blaze. Oh, there, Mama Sue. Let me box that one here. Hold that. Oh, yeah, hold it. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love it. Mommy Sue, Hold on, Papito. So ready. Mama so chop up piece of me there, man. Keep the fire blazing, you know. Oh, maybe that will part. Hold it from me. You there, peeps? You there? Wicked and wild, Mama Sue style. Yeah, man. Let me try it. Maybe I can't even wait. Oh my God. And please, me love the pepper, you know, man. Me love the scotchy. Pepper, pepper. Peeps, do the right thing. Like, share, subscribe. Well on there. Hit the notification. Well on. Look at that. The boss, come. Give me the leg there, Mama. So.
Thank you. What it good? What it good? What it good?
What it good, Papito? Fire blazing.
How do I take it?
Boy!
I mean, boy, you now focus. Focus.
It's not.
Take it. Okay.
It's full of dirt.
Peeps, me did tell you, no say this I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Sue style.
Yes,
peeps. So remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, and what?
Hit that little notification bell.